Ethan's cup is blue. What color is your cup?
Red. And
Ethan's is blue.
whose picture is on your cup?
Whose picture? Who do you see? There's a girl. Who else?
Elmo.
There's a girl and Elmo, and who else?
Cookie. Ernie.
Is Ernie there? Oh, it's Ernie's girl. Is that who it is? Does Ernie ride a fire truck?
Yeah.
Yeah. What kind of fire truck? What's on Ernie's fire truck? You think it's a brush truck or a ladder?
Brush truck.
What are you drinking, Ethan?
Milk?
Milk.
Is it hot or cold?
Cold.
Is it cold?
Cold.
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 Did you just have your bath?
Cold water. Cold water.
Cold water? The bath was cold water? Did it have any bubbles?
Bubbles. Cold. Cold.
Who's sitting on the chair now?
The babies. The babies.
Two babies.